Welcome back to Wooden Shoe Motorsports. Today is D-Day. Today is the day we get that motor finally into this old shit. Say that again?
I forgot what I was saying. I hate you sometimes.
I know you do. We'll edit that part out.
Put the pivot plate on, put the headers on, put the last couple clips for the wires on, that way the engine's complete, and then we can marry this stupid thing to the transmission and shove it in the friggin' Jeep and then light it on fire.
Boom. So here we are, we got the motor all set up. She's ready to go in. Dirk's over there trying to find lost parts. Need bigger? Here, Dirk, size matters. So we have a married unit now. And you thought I was gonna use pink. The missing hole has been filled.